that you're skipping town, that you found your call, so there's no marriage now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess youth ministry couldn't give that to you. Old friend, why are you so sly, making deals to become a priest and follow the light? I hate to have you go out of the blue unexcited, so I'll hold your leg firmly. I'm gonna fight it. I'd hoped you'd see this place and that you'd be reminded that for you it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find a youth minister like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget EAS, I beg. I remember you said sometimes youth ministers last in love, but sometimes you find they fled. Sometimes youth ministers last in love, but sometimes they get messed up in the head. Yeah.
I'm leaving.
What?
I'm leaving.
What? Where are you going?
I'm leaving. You need to find a new youth minister.
Motion.
No, I can't believe it.
Stay in this room. What happens in this room stays in this room. We haven't figured out how to tell the kids yet.
What? What? No! No!
I'm getting a call from my mom. This is not fair. I'll call you back. I'll call you back, Mom. Okay, love you, bye.
I didn't think he was ever going to leave.
It's okay. My mom's alright. I just had to tell her what was going on, so.
It's okay, Daniel. It's going to be a struggle trying to find a person to replace you. I've already got a headache from this.
Well, we need to figure out a process to find a new youth minister. Do you guys have any ideas on what we can do for that?
Craigslist.
Craigslist, okay.
I know. We could do something like American Idol. And that way, it could just be a competition and the winner takes all.
Yeah.
I love that show.
Yeah, but something, you know, like The Apprentice.
But how do we get the people to come in? Do I put an ad at Craigslist? Do we just go down the street and pick anybody up? What do you want me to do?
It's a pretty coveted job. I'm sure that they'll just come once we open it up. I like Terry's idea.
So I need to put it in the progress?
Yeah.
Or do you just want to
Just make a commercial about it.
Hundreds of applicants.
Hey, just put it on Facebook.
Do you know how many interviews we're going to have to do if hundreds of interview people come in?
All right, so American Idol process. That's what we're going to do.
Yeah, that'd be cool. I could see that.
Hi, I'm Susie Cowell, and I'm here to judge people.
I'm Daniel Jackson, and I'm here to find the right person for the job.
Hi, I'm Rachel Abdul, and I'm your pop diva. I'm here to judge as well.
Susie says next to her. Hello, what's your name?
Casey.
Like KC?
Like K-C. My name is Stephanie Jobs.
Like Steve Jobs?
Yes.
The chef. Cheyenne Pepper.
Cool can.
I'm Danny.
My name is JB. My test will be on Dancing with the Stars. I'm Rajanda, the soccer player.
Hi, sorry
night that I've had kind of a bad day. My boyfriend broke up with me, and then my cat died, and I got in a car accident on the way here, but I'm really excited to be here.
And what's your name?
My name is Joy.
So what makes you the best candidate for the job?
Well, let me just tell you, I mean, I'm all about pop culture. Kelly Clarkson, she's my girl. I mean, you see this? I'm her #1 fan, so I could totally relate to the youth. I'd be up there, we could sing, we could dance, you know, maybe even go to a few concerts. We'd be all there, jamming.
Well, as you can see, I love theology of the body. And teens just really need to know that sex is the meaning of life.
Well, yeah, I'm so full of energy. You know, I'd be good, you know, I have all the energy to deal with all these needs.
I'm really into blogging, as you can see. And I keep everything technology, and I can connect with the teens pretty easily. So
I'm just such a happy person all of the time, and I think that this teens really need somebody who's such a positive influence.
Well, you see, I can cook up some very good things with the youth, both in food and in the programs that we share.
I dare to be a Daniel.
Well, after seeing all the candidates, I think my favorite is definitely the chef. I think he was the best qualified, so I would lean toward having him.
I don't know about that. I really like JB. He just had all the right moves and...
The dancer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me? I didn't like any of them. They have no experience of what a real youth minister should be, really.
Well, they all had some good qualities. Maybe what we should do is put it up to a death match.
Yeah, okay.
Like a bracket-style, one-on-one death match, winner take all, gets the job.
I like it.
Okay.
I don't know. Might be unsafe.
job one! Woo!
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Una Victor.
Oh, excuse me.
So this is the job, youth minister here at the church.
What? You think I'm gonna take this job? This is it?
It's pretty
that?
evident, really. No?
I'm sorry. You know, I need a job, but I don't need a job this bad. Take this back. But thanks.
Okay. Well, that wasn't quite the reaction I was looking for. Maybe we should get back together with the core team again?
Yeah, maybe we should, because I don't know what we're gonna do now.
I'm so disappointed she didn't take the job. Now we're back at square one.
Guys, did I hear right? You're talking about deciding a youth minister by death matches?
Yeah. That's pretty normal, really.
You can't do that. We have procedures and policies here. We have to follow archdiocesan personnel policies.
Archdiocesan, what? What is that?
If you don't know what that is, I just think y'all need to go to confession. I'm first.
Man, I feel like we've sat here for 10 years. Yeah.
That's all. Only 10.
Next.